Panasonic electric razor for men. Electric shaver, 6-blade electric razor with premium automatic cleaning and charging station. ES LS9A K, black color. Hi, welcome my friend. ES LS9A. You heard us. We are doing 6 blades. If you are looking for the ultimate premium shaving experience, look no further. 6 blades forged from the highest grade, hypoallergenic stainless steel and formed by centuries of Japanese craftsmanship for your smoothest ever shave in a luxurious high-end design. An unbelievably responsive beard sensor. Beard sensor checks the beard density 220 times per second. Shaver head moves in 22 directions independently to cover even tricky areas such as the neck or under the nose, capturing every hair. The ES LS9A ARC6 men's razor delivers an ultra-premium shave with 6 blades, 2 finish blades, 2 lift blades, and 2 new thick stubble blades, coated with titanium, forged from the same highest grade stainless steel used for Japanese sword making. A unique ultra-fast linear motor delivers 84,000 cross-cutting actions per minute to trim even the thickest beard with ease. The ES LS9A feel substantial yet lightweight, premium cleaning and charging station included. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification button. Thank you.